Good day, Miss Marie. Today, for the My Plate assignment, I will be preparing chicken pochero with brown rice. It is a traditionally Spanish meal that has been later adapted into Filipino culture, and it's one of my favorite healthy meals to prepare. So, without further ado, let's get on with the ingredients. For the brown rice, we have a special technique in order to measure the correct amount of water to be used because it really depends on the proportions. You don't want to have exactly 2 cups of water, exactly 1 cup of water. So what you do is you take your pointer finger, you notice that line, the first line on your pointer finger, you place it on top of the rice, and it is at that point that you stop the water. So you want to center it that way it is flat on the rice and evenly distributed.